Hello and welcome. This is Ruth from Artful Stampin, and
Esther, Stampin' Star Creations.
so we're really pleased to announce we have got 4 video tutorials for you. If you are one of our customers and you have purchased the Bows and Blossoms bundle, incidentally you have about 3 days. This is Tuesday the 28th of June, so you've got a few more days towards the end of June to order that if you haven't. If you have already, please let us know, because we will send you an exclusive email with 4 videos of projects that we have done. So we're just going to do a little quick sneaky peek. Oh, that's one.
Oh, I did 2 at the same time.
Oh, there we go. Of the 4 different tutorials that we have done. Now, if you aren't our customers and you're thinking, I live, I don't know, in Australia, Canada, America, somewhere else, or I'm already a demonstrator, I've already got it, I can't shop with you, then we can also supply it at the cost of £10. So you need to go to the description below, and there's a link to a blog post. And when you go to that blog post, there is a PayPal button that you can just click and pay. And then Esther is going to send you an email.
I'll send you the link. It will have a few small photographs of each project, and you're actually going to have some bonus projects in there as well. So you're really getting your money's worth. It will send you all the links to the exclusive videos. So they're just, if you are a paying customer or if you've bought the video tutorials, they're for your eyes only, but you can enjoy these that are only going to you who have paid up. So thank you.
Okay, so thank you for joining us for this announcement, and hopefully you'll get to see those very soon. If you have any questions, please just email me at ruthtrice@gmail.com, or
you can email me at stampinstarcreations. No, cut. stampinstarcreations@gmail.com.
that blooper staying in. That's not going. Okay, thank you so much, and thank you for bearing with us. Take care. Bye.
Bye.